Hello everyone, good morning. I am Master of A. Ismail, and again, this is my report on the Module 3, which is the parts of a triangle. So the first parts of triangle is the median. The median of a triangle is a segment whose endpoints are a vertex of the triangle and the midpoint of the opposite side. So we all know that median is the middle. So when we say segment is this is the line of the inside the triangle. Ito yung linya. Okay, I'll explain the median. The median is a segment whose endpoints are a vertex of the triangle in the midpoint of the opposite side. So, ang median is mag-start tayo sa vertex. So, we all know na vertex is the corner of the triangle. Okay, so mag-start tayo sa vertex at tapos yun sa opposite side niya which is midpoint, which is ang midpoint it dapat equal, so nakalahati siyang dalawa na equal siya, so yun yung median. So for example, here in the figure, CX, BY, and AZ are the medians. So when you say as you can see, the first equal is the B and Y. Why? Because the B is the vertex and yung line niya ay naka-straight sa Y which is equal. Equal siya sa AC. I mean, the Y is the midpoint of AC. So, dapat yung B talaga is nandun sa Y kasi yung Y is the midpoint of AC. Tapos, dun, same as sa AZ, so, ang midpoint ng BC is Z. So, yung vertex A is diretso sa Z kasi siya yung midpoint ng BC. So, ganun din sa CX, which is yung midpoint ng BA is X, which is yung straight ng CE. Tapos, when we say, pag yung tatlong medians ay nagmet, like for example, dot na yan na red, ang tawag dyan ng centroid. So, ang centroid natin is the letter M. Kasi, dyan nag-meet yung tatlong medians natin. So, I hope you understand that. So, the next one is that angle bisector. So, an angle bisector of a triangle is a segment that bisects the angle in whose endpoints a vertex of the given angle in the point on the opposite side. So, when we say bisect, so it is equal to equal into two, divide into two equal parts. So, halimbawa, the 100% mahati siya sa magiging 50% at saka 50 degree at saka 50 degree. So, ganun yung bisect, yung nadidivide siya sa dalawa. It is a segment that bisect the angle and the whose endpoints of vertex of the given angle. So, malalaman din natin na angle bisector yung kukunin natin kasi may given angle din naman. So, pag yun na yung sign, pag mayroong nakakita kang angle na binigay, so it is a sign na ihati mo siya sa dalawa. So, mag-start siya sa, nag-start siya sa given angle, tapos ipo-point siya sa vertex which is the vertex, yung vertex na may angle, dun ka mag-start hanggang sa opposite side niya. So, ganun siya. So, let's see the example. So, ito yung sample So, the PY, RZ, and CX are the angle bisectors. So, start tayo sa PY. So, di ba yung P is, yung vertex P is may angle siya, yung yellow. Yan yung angle. Tapos, dyan tayo mag-start hanggang sa center. Sa opposite niya, which is the Y. So, yan yung angle bisector natin. So, same din sa RZ, CX. So, CX, nag-start tayo sa may angle. So, diretso sa X. Ganun din sa RZ. Nag-start sa R, which is may angle, at nag-straight din naman siya sa Z. So, ganyan yung angle bisectors. Tapos, di ba nung medians, pag mag-meet yung tatlong medians is tawag natin centroid, dito naman, ang tawag naman natin dito is incenter. So, the end center is the M, which is doon nag-meet yung tatlong angle bisectors. So, I hope you understand that. And the next one is an altitude of a triangle. It is a perpendicular segment from a vertex of a triangle to the line containing the opposite side. So, it is a perpendicular segment. So, when we say perpendicular, ito yung dapat, yung segment which is the line is meron talaga siyang 90 degree. Yun yung perpendicular. Meron talaga siyang 90 degree. From a vertex of a triangle to the line containing the opposite side. So, doon nga mag-start the vertex. So, dapat pag doon na siya sa opposite side niya, dapat meron talagang magagawang 90 degree. Like for example, so eto, the LZ, UX, and VY are the altitudes. So, start tayo sa LZ. So, ayun, yung LZ. Yung LZ natin is, di ba yung vertex L, dun tayo nag-start, and nag-straight siya sa Z. Kasi yun yung opposite side niya, which is tama kasi nakagawa tayo ng 90 degree. 90 degree. So, yan yung tandaan natin sa altitude na pag makakagawa tayo ng 90 degree sa ginawa nating line segment, it is altitude. So, ganun din sa UX. So, nag-start tayo sa vertex X, diretso sa X, which is nakagawa din ng 90 degree. At ganun din sa VY, nag-start tayo sa vertex V hanggang nag-end sa vertex Y, which is nakagawa rin ng 90 degree. So, orthocenter is yung pag yung tatlong altitude ay nagmet, ang tawag doon ay orthocenter. Yung dot, which is the letter M. So, yung letter M natin dito is the orthocenter. So, I hope you understand that. So, do you think it is triangle? Yes, it is a triangle. Kasi yung triangle, triangle nga to. So, ayan. Ganyan yung altitude. Altitude is not always, a triangle is not always vertical. And the altitude can be outside or pwede natin i-extend. Ganyan yung altitude. O, diba? Okay, balik tayo. O, diba? Malinis masyado. Tapos, when we extend that, makakagawa tayo ng mga altitude. Like for example, the CF. Yung CF natin dito, ayan, dito yung CF. Yung CF natin is nakagawa tayo ng perpendicular, 90 degree. Tapos ganun din, nag-extend tayo pababa para naman sa BE, which is nag-extend tayo para makagawa pa rin ng altitude. Tapos ganun din sa AD, nag-extend din tayo para makagawa ng another altitude. So, ganun lang yun. So, sana naintindihan nyo yung report ko and good luck to our quiz. Yes. And that's all. Thank you.